Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi in a Goa garden style. First, let's perfect the foundation, your sushi rice. Begin by washing your rice thoroughly until the water runs completely clear. Then, cook it with a precise 1-to-1 ratio of water to rice. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of rice vinegar, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Allow this perfectly seasoned rice to cool to room temperature before you start rolling. This step is crucial for delicious sushi. Now let's gather our vibrant fillings, embracing that fresh Goa garden feel. Select the freshest, highest quality fish, like succulent tuna or rich salmon, or opt for an array of crisp, colorful vegetables. Remember to slice all your ingredients thinly and uniformly. This makes rolling much easier. For a truly unique touch, consider incorporating tropical fruits such as ripe mango or creamy avocado. Preparing a diverse selection of fillings ensures every roll offers a delightful surprise. With your rice and fillings ready, it's time to master the art of rolling. Lay a sheet of nori, the shiny side facing down, onto your bamboo rolling mat. Spread a thin, even layer of your perfectly seasoned sushi rice, leaving about a 1-inch border at the top edge. Carefully arrange your chosen fillings in a neat line across the center of the rice. Now, using the mat, roll tightly and evenly, applying gentle, consistent pressure to form a firm, beautiful cylinder. Practice makes perfect. Finally, let's prepare your beautiful sushi for serving and enjoyment. Use a very sharp knife, dampened slightly, to cut your rolls into 6 or 8 uniform pieces. Remember to clean your knife between each cut to ensure every slice is perfectly clean and neat. Artfully arrange your freshly cut sushi on a platter. Presentation truly enhances the dining experience. Serve your Goa garden sushi with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, delicate pickled ginger, and a dab of spicy wasabi. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.